Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. Since previous year, in 2020, I had already made the video on Ash Color Team, in which I had told you guys that Ash will catch Dracovish, and I was correct about it. So again, after 4 to 5 months, I had come back with the same topic video. However, I know some of you guys are thinking that Ash already have 6 Pokemon on his team, so will he catch some more Pokemon? So the answer is absolutely yes. Because we have some speculation that say Ash could catch almost 7 or 8 Pokemon in this Pokemon Journeys. And up to now Ash has only catch 5 Pokemon, as Pikachu was already on his team. And besides all this, I had included Pokemon on the basis of merchandise scan, some leaks, and most importantly by seeing the current situation for upcoming events. Also keep it in your mind that this video is a prediction video, not a confirmed news video. And now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, the first Pokemon of this list is Zeraora. Since we have a tons of merchandise scan in which we could see Zeraora. And even in some scans, we could see him with Ash current color Pokemon. However, I think some of you guys were thinking that Zeraora is a mythical Pokemon, so will Ash could catch him, as we all know Ash character. So let me remind you guys, in Alola region Ash already had catch a mythical Pokemon Melmetal and also a Ultra Beast Pokemon Naganadel. That's why there is no need to get surprised if he will again catch a mythical Pokemon. And apart from all this, he has also catch fully evolved Pokemons, like Dragonite and Gengar in this Pokemon Journeys. So the unpredictability of this series clearly states that there is a very good possibility for Ash to catch Zeraora. Although the second Pokemon of this list is Toxicity, since I think even if I put Toxicity at top position, it isn't going to be bad. Because every month, or sometimes even in weeks, we will find some scans in which we could see Toxicity. However, in starting, some fans are predicting that all the Toxicity we are seeing could indicate about a colored gym leader debut. But we are seeing Toxicity in so many of scans, so it's very hard to believe that they are advertising a Pokemon for a gym leader debut. And besides all this, Ash is very close to reach the Hyper class. And more than 60 episodes of this Pokemon Journeys has been released, but still we had only seen one color gym leader properly. So because of all this, a concept is spreading up that maybe this Pokemon Journeys is going to be the first series in which we will not going to introduce to all color gym leaders. Just like, this Pokemon Journeys is the first series in which Ash has not catch any starter Pokemon. Just like, this Pokemon Journeys is the first series in which Ash has catch 2 fully evolved Pokemons. So maybe just like that, this Pokemon Journeys could be the first series in which we will not going to introduce to all colored gym leaders. However, I want to remind you guys that I am not making any confirmation for this. Since currently there is a dispute and debate also for this concept of not showing all gym leaders. So let's wait and see that will this concept is going to be taken or not. However, whatever will happen, the current situation is suggesting that the possibility is high that Ash could catch a Toxicity. Although before moving to our last Pokemon, I want to mention some honorable Pokemon that can't able to make it to the list, but that not mean that they don't have any possibility to become Ash Ketchum Pokemon. So our first honorable Pokemon is Absol. Since we all know, in episode 64 of this Pokemon Journeys, we are going to see a freaking Absol. And if you guys has watched my upcoming episode discussion video, then I think you guys remember that I told you guys that by seeing episode 64 summary, it's not seems that anyone will catch this Absol. But then yesterday some leaks come that suggests maybe writers are thinking to show us an unexpected capture from Ash's side. Just like we had seen with Farfetch, I think you guys remember that Ash catching the Galarian Farfetch was really an unpredictable capture. So maybe we could again see this case with Ash catching Absol. However, the chances are not so much, that's why I had not put him in the main list. Although our next honorable Pokemon is Corviknight. Since we all know, in every series we saw Ash to catch a proper flying type Pokemon of that particular region. That's why from starting of the series, many fans are predicting and hoping to that Ash will catch a Rookidee and further he will evolve him into Corviknight. However, with current situation, I don't think Ash is going to get any first stage Pokemon. I think he will get those Pokemon who only have 2 evolution, or the Pokemon who don't have any evolution, or maybe those one who already been in their final evolution. Whatever, we also have lack of recent scans related to Corviknight, that's also a reason I didn't put him in the main list. Although the final honorable Pokemon is Tyranitar. So now, what I say about this Pokemon. Since in starting when not even first episode of Pokemon Journeys was released, that time we get some scan that suggests we could see a Tyranitar in this Pokemon Journeys. And we actually even see him in episode 3 as a Team Rocket James Pokemon. But then again we get various scans in which we saw a Tyranitar. And even some theory get connected with him that suggest Ash could catch a Larvitar or maybe even a Tyranitar. But now suddenly, the scan related to Tyranitar has just stopped. Whereas previous we are seeing Tyranitar scan so much, but now it's getting slowed down. So I think maybe writers has ditched the idea of giving Ash a Tyranitar, or maybe it is because of any other reason. However, I don't mean that Tyranitar possibility is N, but definitely it's become low. Whatever, now we had seen every honorable mention Pokemon. So now let me discuss about the final number 1 Pokemon from the main list. And he is Kubfu and Urshifu. Since you guys can say that this Pokemon is not a prediction, but he is actually a spoiler capture by Ash. Because we all know, soon the next arc of this Pokemon journeys is going to come, in which you will see Ash to get a Kubfu, and he will even going to evolve him into a Urshifu. Nonetheless, it's going to be a temporary capture, just like we had seen in Darkest Day with Zacian. Since please let me know in the comment section below, that will you guys want me to make a video about the upcoming arc. Means a video in which I will tell you about things that you need to know before the next arc approach. Whatever, there is not much to discuss about this Pokemon, as it's going to be a confirmed temporary capture by our boy Ash Ketchum. So now that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of related videos in future. And also comment your thoughts, that what types of Pokemon you want Ash to catch in this Pokemon journeys. Now at last as always, you guys can follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.